Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well and these files are protected password in video. Kindly full watch video for password or for data. So today I have 100 professional identity cards. These files are in EPS file for Adobe Illustrator user. Uh, First I show you the preview of these design. Wow, you import your first your image here, next your name, and second your designation and BDOP, that's mean date of birth. Here is phone number, email, join and expiry, ID number, and your company logo here. Wow. And next is, wow, here is a scare box, name, assistant manager, ID number, and join expert. This is made different. Next is, wow, so you see here all are full professional, and these files in CMYK color, that's mean printable files. You see here, wow, creative designer, ID, DOB, phone number, email address, and join or expired date. So I open any file. For example, I drag this file to Adobe Illustrator, drag to Adobe Illustrator. Okay, oh, our files are open, and click on layers. That's mean extract layers. You see one by one area you can change color, red color, or see, and our name is here, so you can change photo. For example, I open any other photo. Girls. Okay, and I open this file, drag there, now, and size is down equal to this circle. I think here is better. Okay, and then extract this, drag here, and click on this, right click, click on ungroup, and then click make clipping marks. You see our photo in circle, and next option is name. Very simple and very easy. For example, I write my name, Sheri. Okay, I'm creative designer, but I'm a YouTuber. Undo. Okay, that mean you write your anything, your designation. I tell you just for example, and here is your ID. So I rename my own phone number here in Pakistan, 451432202, and here is date of birth, right, 96 09, and 17 September. Phone number you already know. So write your email here, and your join and expire date. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.